Uh, I think the best way is to regulate applications. Like, personally, what I feel is pretty um, concerning at this point is probably people using chatbots when they're kids and developing like relationships with them, and like feeling suicidal when they don't get to like enjoy the chatbots anymore, or they don't respond in the way they want to, and kind of like taking your loneliness out on like an AI chatbot. All that stuff is pretty. I find it concerning. Like maybe some people don't, and they don't care, and they just think this is not any different from how the internet used to be. But I think it is different. So thinking about that application and like how do we make sure AI usage by kids is done on apps that are productive and useful and knowledge enhancing rather than feeling too companionship like is worth thinking about. I don't think like other stuff is worth regulating as much today. Um, and we're kind of still like very early in AI that moving slow is just going to cost us a lot long term. And a lot means like hundreds of billions or trillions of dollars. So it's best to keep accelerating right now and be mindful of like use cases like what I described that are clearly like dangerous, but more otherwise like be pretty open-minded and build stuff and see how things play out. And I don't have a different answer to America or India. I think it's the same answer here.
Will the world get to a point as it gets more complicated that we all try and own our data a bit more? Where, like, let's assume a model today is scraping data from across the internet. Will the world go in a direction where Indians own Indian data, maybe like another country owns their data, and every model has to pay a fee to use that data as an input to train their models? In the sense, will things move behind a paywall, or even if they don't move behind a paywall, will there be a fee?
It's possible. I think like in general, the internet has been global and fair use so far.